The Third Soviet Antarctic Expedition was led by Yevgeny Tolstikov on the continent and included Czech future astronomer Antonín Mrkos. The marine expedition on the Ob was led by I V Maksimov. Two diesel-electric ships were used to transport the expedition. Ob and Kooperatsiya, used mainly as a transport vessel. The ships arrived in Antarctica in November to December 1957. Together with the ship's crews, the expedition consisted of 445 men, of whom 183 were scheduled for wintering. The tasks of the expedition were relief of the 1956 to 1958 continental expedition and continuation of the IGY program, organization of the Soviet station at the pole of relative inaccessibility, continuation of tractor sledge traverses in central Antarctica, oceanographic work on the Ob in the southern oceans, and cartography of the coast from Mrny to the Bellingshausen Sea. The program included 6 stations. The first tractor train to the interior left on the 26th of December, with 32 men. On the 2nd of January 1958, the train arrived at Pionerskaya, and left again on the 8th. On the 17th they reached Komsomolskaya. Conditions of travel were difficult. A portion of the train left on the 20th to relieve Vostok, arriving on the 27th, and delivering over 100 tons of cargo. On the 28th the train left for Komsomolskaya, arriving on the 31st. On the 3rd of February the train, with 27 men, left to found Sovetskaya. They reached 78 degrees 24 S, 87 degrees 35 E on the 10th, at an altitude of 3,570 meters. The station was rapidly constructed, and the train left on the 18th, returning to Mrny on the 4th of March, having completed a round trip of 4,000 kilometers. After spending the Antarctic winter at Mrny, the expedition undertook a second set of tractor traverses starting in September 1958. One team reached the pole of inaccessibility and established the pole of inaccessibility station there on the 14th of December. Landscape features discovered: Gamburtsev mountain range, Glitzen Mountains, Schmidt Plain,